In the previous videos, we explored film frames, paper frames, blob frames, and even letter and number frames. But today, we're focusing on one of the most creative and modern styles inside Canva's Elements section, which is the abstract frames. These frames are perfect if you want your design to feel artistic, unique, and less structured compared to basic squares and circles. And let's start by setting up your design. I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create, then choose Presentation so we have a clean workspace to demonstrate everything clearly. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the left side panel and click on Elements. Scroll down until you see the Frames category. Unlike traditional frames that follow perfect geometric shapes, abstract frames have irregular edges, creative cutouts, and unexpected forms. Some look like paint strokes, others look like torn shapes, liquid splashes, or artistic silhouettes. Because of this, they instantly make your layout look more dynamic and less predictable. To use one, type abstract in the search bar and scroll down until you see an abstract frame you want to use. Now, what you want to do is hover your cursor over that frame until you see 3 dots appear on the top corner. Click on those 3 dots and choose View Collection so you can see other variants of that same abstract frame style. This allows you to explore similar shapes with matching designs, which helps you keep your layout consistent instead of mixing random styles together. Once you find the version you like best, simply click on it to add it to your canvas and continue customizing your design. Abstract frames work especially well for creative portfolios, fashion posts, branding presentations, or modern social media graphics. Because the shape itself already creates visual interest, you don't need to add too many extra decorations. Keep the rest of your layout simple so the abstract frame becomes the focal point. Another powerful tip is to combine abstract frames with clean typography. Since abstract shapes are already visually expressive, pairing them with simple, bold fonts creates a balanced design. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand how to use abstract frames inside Canva as a beginner. Once you start experimenting with irregular shapes, instead of sticking to basic layouts, your designs will immediately feel more creative, modern, and visually engaging. If you want to keep leveling up your Canva skills, check out the next tutorial and let's continue mastering Canva step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.